Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add payment method to your Facebook account. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Facebook app. Here it opens up in the feed. From here we just go into the top right corner and tap on the three lines, and then tap on the cog, and then we scroll down to almost to the very bottom, and then under payments we tap on ads payments, and here we can just tap on add payment method, and then we can continue by filling in these details related to our business and our bank account. So if we get monetized on the Facebook app, then the money that we make is going to be redirected to that bank account that we are setting right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.